Ted Turner, the media mogul and philanthropist best known as the founder of CNN, is also one of the largest private landowners in the United States. Owning over 2 million acres across multiple states, Turner's vast landholdings are not just symbols of wealth. They reflect his deep commitment to conservation and sustainable ranching. Spanning across states like Montana, New Mexico, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Kansas, Turner's properties are managed with a focus on preserving biodiversity, supporting ecosystems, and promoting the iconic American bison. Turner's land empire includes expansive ranches such as the Flying D Ranch in Montana, the Ladder Ranch in New Mexico, and the sprawling Vermejo Park Ranch, also in New Mexico. Each property plays a unique role in Turner's conservation mission, serving as a sanctuary for wildlife and a site for innovative, sustainable practices. Together, these ranches form a network of lands dedicated to preserving America's natural heritage. At the heart of Turner's landholdings is his commitment to bison conservation. Once nearly extinct, bison populations have made a remarkable recovery, thanks in part to Turner's efforts. His ranches are home to over 45,000 bison, making it the largest private herd in the world. These majestic animals roam freely across Turner's properties, where they are managed in a way that mimics their natural behavior. This approach not only supports the health and well-being of the bison, but also benefits the ecosystems they inhabit, as bison grazing helps maintain prairie ecosystems and promote biodiversity. In addition to bison, Turner's lands are home to countless other species, including elk, deer, bears, wolves, and an array of bird life. Many of his properties have been designated as critical habitats for endangered or threatened species, reflecting Turner's dedication to protecting wildlife. His ranches also serve as sites for ecological research and education, hosting scientists and students who study the interactions between species and their environments. One of the most iconic properties in Turner's portfolio is the Vermejo Park Ranch. Spanning over 550,000 acres, this ranch is a natural wonderland of forests, grasslands, and mountains. Vermejo Park Ranch is a model of sustainable tourism, offering guests the opportunity to experience nature through guided tours, fishing, hiking, and wildlife observation. The ranch also produces renewable energy through solar and wind power, demonstrating Turner's commitment to sustainability. Another notable property is the Flying D Ranch in Montana, which encompasses over 113,000 acres. Known for its rugged beauty and expansive landscapes, the Flying D Ranch is a working bison ranch where sustainable practices are at the forefront. The ranch prioritizes rotational grazing and land restoration efforts, ensuring that the soil, water, and vegetation remain healthy and productive for generations to come. Turner's Ladder Ranch in New Mexico is another jewel in his collection. This 156,000-acre property is home to diverse wildlife, including Mexican wolves and various bird species. The Ladder Ranch is also a partner in conservation initiatives aimed at restoring native habitats and supporting wildlife corridors. These efforts help ensure that animals have the space and resources they need to thrive. Beyond his landholdings, Turner's impact on conservation extends through the Turner Foundation and the Turner Endangered Species Fund. These organizations support a wide range of environmental projects, from combating climate change to protecting critical habitats. The Turner Endangered Species Fund focuses specifically on restoring populations of imperiled species, such as the black-footed ferret and the red-cockaded woodpecker. By leveraging his resources and influence, Turner has become a leading advocate for environmental stewardship. Turner's approach to land management is rooted in a philosophy of coexistence. He believes that humans and nature can thrive together when managed responsibly. This ethos is evident in the way his ranches balance agricultural production with conservation. For example, bison raised on Turner's ranches are processed for meat under strict sustainability guidelines. The Turner Ranch's bison meat is marketed through his restaurant chain, Ted's Montana Grill, which emphasizes environmentally friendly practices and supports local economies. Education is another key component of Turner's mission. His properties often host workshops, training programs, and field trips designed to teach visitors about conservation, sustainable ranching, and the importance of protecting natural resources. By engaging the public, Turner hopes to inspire a new generation of environmental advocates who will continue the work he has championed. Turner's vast landholdings also play a critical role in combating climate change. By preserving forests, grasslands, and wetlands, his properties act as significant carbon sinks, capturing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Additionally, Turner's investments in renewable energy projects, such as wind and solar farms on his properties, further reduce the carbon footprint of his operations. Despite his many successes, Turner's conservation work has not been without challenges. Balancing the needs of wildlife, ecosystems, and agricultural production requires careful planning and constant adaptation. Conflicts with local communities and stakeholders have occasionally arisen, particularly regarding predator reintroduction programs. However, Turner's willingness to engage in dialogue and seek collaborative solutions has helped mitigate many of these issues. Turner's legacy as a land steward is perhaps best exemplified by his commitment to leaving the world a better place. He once said, "Managing land sustainably and preserving biodiversity are among the most critical tasks of our time." His actions have demonstrated that large-scale conservation is not only possible, but can also be economically viable and socially beneficial. As Turner continues to manage his land holdings, he remains a powerful voice for the environment. His work has inspired countless individuals and organizations to take action, proving that one person's vision can have a profound impact on the planet. Whether through restoring bison populations, protecting endangered species, or promoting sustainable agriculture, Turner's contributions to conservation have set a benchmark for what is possible when passion meets purpose. Ted Turner's properties also play a key role in connecting fragmented ecosystems, creating wildlife corridors that allow animals to migrate safely. This forward-thinking strategy helps maintain genetic diversity and strengthens the resilience of species in the face of environmental changes. These corridors are essential for larger predators and prey species alike, showcasing the interconnectedness of nature. Another fascinating aspect of Turner's land management is his focus on water conservation. Many of his ranches include wetlands, rivers, and lakes that are carefully preserved to support aquatic ecosystems. These water bodies serve as habitats for fish, amphibians, and migratory birds, contributing to the overall ecological health of his properties. Through his investments, Turner has also pioneered sustainable building practices on his ranches. Structures are designed with energy efficiency in mind, utilizing renewable energy sources and natural materials. This approach not only reduces environmental impact, but also demonstrates how luxury and sustainability can coexist harmoniously. Ted Turner's story is a testament to the power of vision and dedication. From his media empire to his conservation efforts, he has shown that success can be measured not only by wealth, but also by the positive changes one brings to the world. His 2 million acres stand as a living legacy, a testament to what can be achieved when land is managed with care, respect, and a deep sense of responsibility. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more captivating content, and thank you for watching.